I fired my product photographer, then I fired my designer. My listings look better than they did with both of them because of this tool, PicWish AI Designer. Here's the proof. This phone photo became this. White background, infographic, lifestyle shot, even the Amazon A+ content, under a minute. Stick around because by the end, I'm going to show you just how little I actually had to type to get all of this. And one trick that reuses this entire look on a completely different product. If you've ever tried to shoot proper product photos for an Amazon listing, you know the drill: light boxes, models, editors, and a bill that adds up fast before you've sold a single unit. You've probably used PicWish before for background removal or a quick photo touch-up, but today I'm testing their newest feature, AI Designer. Instead of editing one photo, it builds your entire listing set from raw product photos. White background shots, infographics, lifestyle scenes, multi-scene collages, spec graphics, all from one description, typed like you're texting a friend. Let's just try it live. Step 1. Inside PicWish, I go to Quick Start and open product listing images. You can upload 1 to 5 photos of your product. I'm using this pair of wireless earbuds, just a raw image, nothing fancy. Then there's a product info box, and it walks you through 5 things: product name, key selling points, target audience, desired scenarios, and specs. If you don't have all that written out, there's an AI copywriter button that'll draft it for you. Then I pick the marketplace, region, and which image types I actually want. PicWish defaults to 7 types selected. Oh, and worth pointing out, this is running on Nano Banana Pro, one of a few AI models PicWish lets you switch between, depending on the result you want. And that's the part that surprised me, and it's not generating one image. It's planning an entire set from 5 bullet points. I hit generate, and this is where it gets interesting. If you're into tools like this that actually save sellers time and money, hit subscribe. I test this kind of stuff every week. Okay, results are in. From those 5 quick product details, PicWish generated 7 completely different assets. A clean white background main image, an infographic breaking down the specs, a lifestyle shot of the earbuds in a real-world setting, and more. Now here's the moment I promised you at the start, the before and after in full detail. Same product, completely different listing presence. That's the gap PicWish is trying to close. So the output quality is there, but sellers on Amazon need more than product shots. They need A+ content too. And that's actually the most useful part of this whole tool. Same process, different tab. I go to Amazon A+, and it uses the same product info to lay out a full A+ content module. Comparison charts, feature callouts, lifestyle banners, all in one module. Is it launch ready straight out of the box? Mostly, and if you want it to sound even more like your brand, you can go in and tweak any of the text callouts yourself, which brings you to the bonus features. Because generating the set is only half the tool. If something's not quite right, you've got a couple of ways to fix it. First, the one-click tools. Remove background, enhance photo, expand for other platforms. Remove an unwanted object. An Amazon listing shot becomes a TikTok shop or Instagram-ready crop in seconds. Or if it's more specific than that, you just type it. Same re-edit box. I said, make the background lighter. And it updated just that. And the one I really loved. This is the trick I promised you at the top of the video. Let's say I launch a completely different product next. This water bottle. Instead of starting from 0, I use product image clone. I upload the bottle photo, pick a few of my earbuds images as the style reference, and PicWish rebuilds the exact same layout around the new product. Look at this. True wireless freedom becomes pure hydration. Same white background layout, same text placement. The close-up call-out, ergonomic all-day comfort becomes ergonomic grip design, same style, different product entirely. And the lifestyle triptych, gym, office, commute, becomes pure hydration anywhere. Same scenes, same composition, just the bottle instead of the earbuds. One workflow, reusable across your entire catalog. So this isn't a one-and-done generator. It's meant to be your ongoing listing workflow across every product you list. Look, I'm not going to tell you this replaces a full product photo shoot for every seller. But for getting a professional-looking listing live fast, without a studio or designer on retainer, this closes a real gap for you. If you want to try it yourself, the link is right in the description. Click it, upload your own product photo, and see what your listing set looks like. I'll catch you in the next one.